Amigo Nang, my friends, when we have the opportunity to make the steps that we are making here today, it is an obligation for all of us that have the position to make things happen. I'm extremely proud to be standing on this grass lawn today because some years ago we stood out there in front of a dilapidated Joe Laveist ballpark and we looked at our island and we didn't like what we saw. We saw schools deteriorating, cities and neighborhoods, elderly homes in bad condition. And we said the people of Aruba would give us the responsibility and the opportunity to change that. We would like to stand for a dream where we don't only have five-star hotels, but we also have five-star schools, five-star elderly homes, five-star neighborhoods, and also a five-star ballpark as we have here today. Aruba can be proud, San Nicolas can be proud. We have a five-star baseball park right here in San Nicolas. It is ours. We have shown that we can do it, and that is because you stood with us, and together we make the impossible possible. So my friends, let's celebrate this evening. A beautiful ballpark park, but more than that, a beautiful sentiment that lives in this community. When we see something that we think is worthwhile to strive for, next year we will be celebrating 30 years of status aparte. Why did we obtain that? It's because our forefathers thought that when we have something noble to aspire for our country, we should fight for it. We should stand for it. We should bleed for it. We should sweat for it. And that's what we did also to have this ballpark here today. So thank you to everyone that stood with us, that fought with us to make this possible today. Pa bien Aruba, pa bien San Nicolas, viva Aruba, van demonstra a ripetere ng aqui conosco porque da carga en nombre de Aruba, ripeteremo nandi mas grandi internacionalmente. Thank you, y que Dios bendicionado.